Hi guys, welcome to the 6th video tutorial on XML, and in this video I'm going to talk about CDATA and PCDATA. So CDATA stands for unparsed character data, and as you know, or most of you probably know, a parser is the engine that reads not only in XML but in other programming languages. It reads the code from top to bottom, line by line, and when it reaches an error or something that is not correct, it will output an error on the browser. So in XML, whenever we want to hide symbols that are not recognizable by XML, like for example these symbols here that we could use in, for example, let's say an if statement in JavaScript, and let's say one is bigger than 2, less than 2, sorry. Okay, something like this. All these kind of symbols that you see in here, okay, and the ampersand as well, are not recognized by XML. So in order to use them, we need to type something like this. Okay, so we need to type the less less than symbol, the exclamation, then the square brackets CDATA, square bracket again, and then you can type whatever you want or whatever characterization you want that is not recognized by XML, such as the bigger than symbol, less than, percent, okay? And pretty much you can type JavaScript in here if you want to, and then to close it, type 2 square brackets and the bigger than symbol, okay? Now this will be outputted in the file, okay? It will work if we run this in Chrome. This is what you'll get, okay? The thing is, in order to work, you need to put it inside CDATA, okay? That is the only way you can use JavaScript code or these kind of codes or characters, sorry, okay? So CDATA stands for unparsed character data, and PCDATA is everything that it's outside the character, the CDATA. Parse, PCDATA means parsed character data, sorry, and CDATA means unparsed character data. So that's basically it. Whenever you need to put some strange characterization, use CDATA. Okay, guys? So that is all. Simple as that. If you have any questions, any more questions, just send me a message, and I will answer you as soon as possible. Okay? Bye.